This is another What I Eat in a Day to Lose Weight on the Eat to Live Nutritarian lifestyle. We're going to be starting the day with lots of greens in a smoothie, and I find that this really sets me up for not only superior nutrition, but it changes a lot, I feel like, giving me way less cravings throughout the day too, and you get a lot of really good fiber first thing. So we're starting with a blue smoothie. The addition of just a tablespoon of peanut butter adds a creaminess and lovely flavor to this yummy blue smoothie. So in a blender, combine bok choy, red leaf lettuce, and baby kale. Add ground flax, peanut butter, frozen banana, and ice water if you like. Blend until thick and creamy, and look at this. Beautiful! Lunch is a cooked pear and walnut spinach salad. Thanks to Lorraine for the idea. We start to make the walnut dressing. So in a small capacity blender cup I'm showing you, but you can use any blender or food processor, we add water, white balsamic vinegar, walnuts, garlic, mustard, chia seeds, and freshly ground black pepper. Blend that up. For the salad, we're going to start by cooking some pears with cinnamon. That's right. We are using canned pears in this video. They are packed in white grape juice. You can totally use fresh pears too. Find ones that are really ripe or give them a couple days and make sure they're a little brown or spotty and they're going to be perfect. Thinly slice the pears and add a little of the liquid to the pan from the jar and some cinnamon. While we're cooking these a little bit, we're going to do a little extra for later because we only need one pear for one recipe. While they simmer, we're going to prepare the rest of the salad. Chopped spinach is our base. We add some cooked mushrooms and then the pears to the center of the salad. We sprinkle this with some currants, chopped green onions, and then we throw those on top, and raw walnuts to finish decorating the salad. Serve this with a lovely walnut dressing and yum! Super hearty, delicious, nutritious lunch. Dinner is a lovely lima bean soup. Super simple to make. This can be easily made ahead of time. The longer a soup sits in the refrigerator, the better the flavors sit together, meld, blend together, become friends. Just delicious. We're going to use the Instant Pot electric pressure cooker for this recipe, but you can totally use a soup pot on the stove. Just cook the soup as long as it takes to cook your lima beans. But if you're using just lima beans from the freezer, for instance, you won't need to cook it as long. So dried lima beans are the base of the soup that we're showing here. We're going to begin by turning the Instant Pot on the saute function. This way, by the time everything is in the pot, the ingredients will be heated up and we'll get to pressure faster. Start with veggie broth, then onion, celery, carrots, sweet red pepper, garlic, sweet potato, the rinsed lima beans, and some sage, thyme, bay leaves, and black pepper. We're going to set the Instant Pot on high for 45 minutes. This step is totally optional, but if you blend half of the soup when it's done, the texture is even more amazinger. Then add in a cup of chopped fresh parsley and serve over curly kale that has been torn into small bite-sized pieces. Sprinkle a little unfortified nutritional yeast and squeeze lemon juice on top of the soup, and you will not miss any added salt, I promise you. What a high nutrient eating day we have enjoyed. Don't you agree? So I know lima beans kind of get a bad rap from our childhood, right? Like, lima beans. But now we're adults. So I'm so excited to bring you this type of a recipe with something new. Maybe you don't eat lima beans a lot, or maybe you do. Let me know down below in the comments. Do you have any favorite lima bean recipes, or have you tried these ones yet? Let me know what you think down below. If you have any questions, let us know too, and I will answer them for you. The recipes, all three of these recipes, or 4 recipes technically, are down below this video. They're always going to be down below the videos now in the show more description on the YouTube video, all right? If you're on mobile, you can just hit the little arrow right below the video and it will open up the recipes. And I want to point out to you, we have something really exciting coming up. And I wanted to start to talk about it a little bit because it's going to be coming up pretty soon. We're going to be doing free 5-day challenges, eat to live challenges for weight loss, for healthy eating, all together, live challenges every month. At least we're going to try this out. We're going to be doing this every month and we hope you will join in. We're all going to be doing it together. There's going to be tons of energy, so much fun. We're all going to be learning to eat to live together. And I want you to get in on the first one that we do. Now, we've always done paid 21-day challenges in the past, and I'm going to give this a go to be doing all new recipes for you, but free 5-day challenges every month now. So I hope that that sounds interesting to you. If you're interested, make sure you sign up for the challenge waitlist, which is at thewateringmouth.com/challenge. And we'd love to have you in these new 5-day ones. all new recipes, gonna be super, super fun, and we're all gonna do them together, like I said. So we hope to see you in there. Get the recipes for this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.